Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through a very short yin yoga practice just to emphasize the importance of practicing, even if we only have 10 minutes. It's easy for us to think, oh, I only have 10 minutes, let me just, scroll more on my phone, or, having those thoughts as if is already lost, or it doesn't have so much value when it's shorter. But actually, the less time we have, the more important it is to dedicate our time to nourish ourselves. And with this flow, we will connect with our intuition and a deeper state of presence just in less than 10 minutes. So what we need today for this yin class is a bolster or any kind of cushion or support. And we'll combine a pranayama, a breathing exercise, with some opening of the chest and the spine to be more open and yes, to let our intuition guide. So if you can start seated on the knees. For some of us, that's a bit challenging. Recommend to actually learn to get into it step by step, and a good way to start getting into it is actually by bolstering it up. So if you feel the tension on your quads, then it can make sense to put a bolster between your feet and your buttocks, maybe even some blocks between the feet, just making sure that we don't always avoid the things that we need most, the one that we want to avoid. So getting started, sitting on the knees, rolling the shoulders back, and just start with a few cleansing breaths. As you allow your energy to come to this moment in whatever capacity you have. So even if your thoughts are still swirling around and you are distracted, just honor that, recognize that. Try to not change it, but rather observe. Be present. Starting off with the psychic nostril breathing or Nadi Shodhan Pranayama to balance right and left side of brain and to invite a deeper sense of presence. You can place the hands in Vishnu Mudra, placing the index finger, middle finger on the forehead, and we can use the ring finger and thumb or ring finger and pinky finger. Generally, we start off with breathing through the right, or it's often done. Today, intentionally, I start with the left to connect more with the Chandra Nadi, with the moon energy, the intuitive energy. So take first a deep cleansing breath to both nostrils. Through both nostrils, inhale fully and focus on the connection to your whole spine as you lift from the root up to the crown. And exhale through nose or mouth, just release. Inhale right, stay. Hold breath, focus center of brain. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold breath. Exhale right. Stay, inhale right. Hold breath. Exhale left. Inhale through both nostrils. Hold breath. Meditate on the crown of the head. Envision light and space. Exhale completely. One more. Inhale. Hold breath. Focus tailbone. And exhale fully. And coming to our hands and knees for a few rounds of cat-cow, just to awaken the spine. Doing this 1 minute a day is very potent, so keep your eyes closed if you can. Inhale, focus on the center of the brain, Ajna chakra. Exhale, round the spine, focus on the tailbone. Few more, in and out, in and out. Few more, let the breath lead. And then let's come to our center and try now to probably put blocks next to your heels or put a bolster. Nice. So try to stag it really high so that just as you reach with your fingers back, you're touching something. So you don't have to go far back. It's just more about supporting here, retracting the shoulder blades and externally rotating the shoulders and lifting the chest. And the chin can remain to the chest, or you look gently up. If you want to go a bit deeper, you kind of put your hands a bit more down, but it's really important that you're not collapsing, but you lift yourself and there's no excess tension. And we're just breathing here. And then coming slowly out of the pose. Take your time. Take just a few neutralizing breaths. So instead of immediately rounding, just feel the effects of the gentle opening. And then today we will finish off in the child's pose. You can have in the child's pose also here again the bolster to the forehead, or if your buttocks not touching the ground, you can sit on the bolster. You can rest the forehead to the ground, or maybe having a blocks extra to support. But the more important part is the grounding and the finishing off with really stimulating the digestion, the belly, and releasing stress in the abdomen. So we're going to stay here 1 to 2 minutes just to relax. Arms can be forward or next to the body. And you just allow yourself to finalize the practice with a deeper sense of appreciation. Appreciating the time you had, even if it was short, the intentions you had, celebrating your willingness to support yourself, to do your best, and to honor what you have. Take a few finalizing breaths. And I will leave you here just to close off the practice whenever you're ready. Carrying with you this awareness of breath, of grounding, and of your heart. As you transition back into your day with a renewed sense of openness and appreciation. Thank you so much for this short practice, and definitely let us know how it went. We look forward to hear from you. Have a beautiful rest of the day.